What is molecules? A molecule is the smallest particles of a substance that can exist on its own and also retain the chemical properties of that substance. So it means that when two atoms combine together, we now do what? We now have what we call the molecule. For example, when examples of these molecules, let me show you. When oxygen, this oxygen, when these two combine together, it forms O2. So this O2 now is what we call what? The molecule. So we also look at hydrogen. When two hydrogen are combined together, we are going to have H2. And this H2, in this case, we call it hydrogen molecule. O2 in this case, we call it what? Oxygen molecule. But when you don't have this subscript 2, but only O, in that case, we call it hydrogen atom or oxygen atom. So this is examples of molecules. We also have other example. We have ozone. We have ozone, which this chemical formula O3. So this one now is a molecule. Another example is chlorine. When two chlorine combine together, we are going to have Cl2. So in this case, we say that chlorine in this form is a chlorine molecule. But if you have only chlorine, only Cl, in this case, chlorine is what? It's an atom. So it is very simple to differentiate between atoms and what? Molecules. Then the number of atoms present in each of these molecules of an element is called atomicity. Let me erase this. This molecule gives birth to atomicity. What's the meaning of atomicity? The number of atoms present in each molecules of this element is called atomicity. For example, this one now we have O2. This is O2, which is the molecule. Now, if they ask you what is the atomicity of this molecule, now is what? It's 2. Because we have O2 here and it exists as diatomic.